And just so you guys know, there is a surprise inside of this video. I'm going to be giving away one of the products because there was no way I'm going to be able to use it. And happy video day, guys. So for today's video, we're going to be jumping into BOXYCHARM. It is January, what are we in? July. It is January 2020. It is the first month of the brand new year, and that means it's a brand new year of BOXYCHARM. So forget about everything that you know about BOXYCHARM from last year. Let's see how they're gonna do this year. I'm actually pretty excited because if you guys do know, BOXYCHARM really killed it last year. I think that they did an amazing, like a fantastic job last year. So I'm excited. I'm pretty damn excited. If you guys haven't seen my last video where I talk about why I canceled Ipsy, I am gonna link that down below. But yeah, so I decided to cancel my Ipsy subscription, and I'm gonna blame it on BOXYCHARM because they really knocked me off my socks last year, and I really think that they did such a good job. But like always, guys, every year is a new year. Now, I tend to think that January is usually not the best BOXYCHARM month. Like, I remember like the last few years that I've had BOXYCHARM, I don't think I've ever loved January's box. I think January has always been like a box. But let's see how this one is. I did kind of peek in here to kind of know what to put on my face. I did try on one of the products from this box that you guys are going to see me putting on. So yeah, I have a few thoughts already on the box. But yeah, we're going to get into every single thing on January 2020's BOXYCHARM right now. So let's first get into this little baby. If you guys can see, it has like a pink inside. I don't remember BOXYCHARM ever having pink inside, but... So this month's box is going to be called Breaking the Ice, which is kind of fitting for January, I guess, because it's like the first month, like we're breaking the ice. Or it could mean like literally breaking the ice because it's cold. But since I'm from South Florida, it's like 80 degrees outside, so. Here in Miami, it's literally not that cold at all, and I think BOXYCHARM is located pretty close to where I am, so I am considering that maybe they're just talking about in general, everybody else is trying to break ice. What I usually like to do in this video is I'm going to show you guys everything I got in the box first, and then after I show you guys everything I got, the items that I decide that I'm going to try on my face, I'm going to try on at the end of the video and show you guys what I'm thinking. I don't try on every single thing. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do, but it just depends. Like if it's something that I think that there's no use, that I'm never going to use it, I save it and I give it away to you guys in a giveaway. And if it's something that I definitely think that I'll get use out of, I try it on. So this month we do have a few items. So let's jump into the box first. So the first item that we got was from Pretty Vulgar. So this is the Undercover Concealer and it retails for $25 US. Now we were supposed to choose the color that was going to match us, and I don't know what happened here. So when I went to go try this one on, I kind of looked at the color quickly because I never just swatch something out of nowhere just because I always know that there's a chance it's not going to match me. And when I read the color, it says the middle ground, and I was already like, because I'm usually like a light medium under eye. And when I opened this up and looked at this color, like there is no way this color is going to match me. This is a very medium skin toned concealer. This would never match my skin tone. And I know I filled out their little BOXYCHARM, like sent us like some concealer samples in the last box, and we were supposed to pick the one that matched us the best. And I wouldn't have picked this one. So I don't even know how or why I got such a deep one, but I guess since they're trying out how to do this, I'm not gonna blame them too much, but this doesn't match me. What I'm thinking of doing is, because I'm definitely not going to use this one and it's going to be hard for me to put this one in a giveaway because I don't know who's going to win, I'm going to give this away right now. So if you guys have a medium skin tone and you think that this type of concealer will match you, I want you guys to win this. Most important thing is you have to be subscribed to the channel in order to win my giveaway. So if you guys do want to win this concealer, first thing you got to do, hit that subscribe button. Then after you hit that subscribe button, then just leave me a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite product inside of this box, and leave me your Instagram handle or an email address in order for me to contact you. I'll pick one of you guys from the comments down below probably in like a week or two, and I'll send you guys this concealer because I am not going to use it. So yeah, little giveaway in this video. You guys didn't expect that, but there we go. We've got a giveaway. So then if we keep on going, we have this product right here from Beaute. So this is an eyeshadow palette featuring 12 colors, and it is reminiscent of a beautiful sunrise. It retails for $34.99, and yeah, it's pretty. Very colorful. If you guys can see, it's a very colorful palette. It is what I have on my eyes, so you are going to see me do a tutorial. I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts on it. But yeah, I did try this one on, and yeah, it's actually kind of pretty, huh? Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, My box is 23, so I guess my variation is 23. There was a lot of variations. Like, honestly, I have seen a few BOXYCHARM unboxings already because my box got here kind of late. And I feel like there was a lot of variations in this. Like, I think January was like kind of all over the place, no? So if we keep going, we've got the Co Roma Truffle Therapy Face Homage. So it looks like this. So this is a delicate exfoliating cream and it retails for $28 and it talks about how amazing it is. So I'm actually interested in this. So it does say that you're supposed to gently massage with circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. So this is kind of like an exfoliating cream. So what it is, it's a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face scrub. So I'm interested in using this. I actually have been wanting to put an exfoliator into my routine, but I can't exfoliate that much because I do break out with exfoliating. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the exfoliators I've used, but I want to try this. So I think I'm going to try this. Ooh, it says made in Italy. Interesting. Let's keep going. So the next thing we got is from Glow Recipe and it's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now this is pretty adorable. It comes in this really, really cute container and I honestly think that this is adorable. So it looks like this and it's actually a glass bottle. This is actually glass. This looks really, really nice and luxurious. And it's a watermelon glow sleeping mask. So it says that it smooths and perfects your skin overnight. And it has hyaluronic acid in it and it's $22 US. So I'm actually interested in using this. What does it smell like? Ooh, that smells like a yummy watermelon. Like that doesn't seem like it would annoy me. But I'm interested in using this. I do not have the driest of skins, but every once in a while my skin does get pretty dry. So I'm interested in trying this out. Okay, so then the last item, that's it. I feel like that went too fast. Okay, so the last item that I have here is the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. It's a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition, and it retails for $16. I've never heard of this brand before. It has a cute packaging, but I guess since I'm from South Florida, I'm kind of over like the palm trees and stuff. But it's cute. I feel like I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway because I have so many mascaras open right now, guys, that it would be ridiculous to open another one. I think I have 5 open mascaras. I need to get through the ones that I have, and I think like 2 of them are actually from BOXYCHARM, so I'm gonna get through those mascaras first. So that's everything that I got inside of this month's box. I'll be honest, it wasn't the most exciting box. It wasn't exciting. I do feel like I got some pretty decent items, but maybe it's not as exciting because a few of these I can't actually try on because I can't really try the exfoliator and I can't try the sleeping mask because both of these I have to use like for a while, and also I can't use them on camera right now. So maybe that's why it's not as exciting because only 3 of them I can use. 1 of them is definitely the wrong color and I'm gonna be giving to one of you guys. And then I'm down to 2 items that I can actually try. Don't need any more mascaras. And this is the only product that I could try out. And to be 100% honest, the colors are very pretty, but it wasn't like I was dying to try this palette out. But because I only had like 1 item that I could try on, I decided to try this one. So we're gonna go ahead and get into me trying this out and telling you guys my thoughts right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try out this Ace Beaute palette. So these are the colors. If you guys can see, they're super vibrant, but I'm gonna just jump into this first color right here. Let's put this as my transitional crease color. I'm just gonna kind of put it all over the lid, but I'm gonna try to get it as close as possible to the brow. I'm gonna work my way up. I try to get it as close as I can to my eyebrow because my eyes are pretty small. So in order to see like a transition of color changes, I have to get pretty close to my eyebrow. But if you have space and you have bigger eyes, then you might not have to do this as much as me. You might actually be able to stay pretty low. So first thoughts, this is a decent color. It gives me pretty good payoff. Not like extreme, but that's okay because this is pretty vibrant palette, so I think we need to have some subtle colors, right? It's okay, I like that color. Let's do So what I want to do is add a little bit of color so I can show you guys how you can add color without getting too colorful. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this color called Bahamas, and I'm gonna focus this on the crease. So I'm gonna lightly press this on my crease, and then whatever is left on the brush, I'll work my way up. That color gave me a lot more pigment than I was actually expecting it to. And then I'm gonna jump right back into the Sunset Rose color, and I'm just gonna put it like over top. And then with a fluffier brush, I'm just gonna kind of blend out all these edges. So I'm just gonna kind of like blend everything. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a deeper color, and that's the color I'm gonna put towards the outer edge. I think I'm gonna use Nocturnal. And I'm just gonna apply it to the outer edge and like kind of like doing that V shape. I'm gonna do the same to this side. Okay, so that's what we've got. I kind of like this so far, and I think the pigment so far has been pretty damn good. I'm actually kind of impressed, to be honest. I didn't think it was gonna be as pigmented as it is, and I think that deeper color, it blended decent. It didn't blend fantastic, but it blended pretty decent, so I'm okay. Let's try out these shimmery shades, because sometimes that's where everything goes to fail. I'm gonna grab this color called Maui with my finger. I always use my finger, guys. I just don't even understand sometimes using brushes for shimmers, because they just usually don't perform good with brushes, and your fingers are just the way to go all the time. And I have used my fingers to apply makeup for a really long time, and especially with shimmers, so I just tend to like to do that. You apply it however you want. I'm just telling you that usually with shimmers you gotta use your finger. It just really works so much better. That's why I don't ever have like super long nails, because when you play with a lot of makeup, you tend to realize that long nails just doesn't always work. So I'm just gonna blend a little bit of that Nocturnal color straight into this like lighter tone, and I actually think that shimmer worked really nice. I don't think the blend is working that well between these two colors, but it's not bad. Some type of funny thing happened in between the blend of these two colors, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of Lotus, see if I can kind of help that out a little bit. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I do think that there was something that happened with the metallics and the mattes when they come together. I don't think that they blend perfectly together. That hasn't happened too many times to me with eyeshadow palettes, that the mattes and the metallics don't like seamlessly go into each other. This one I feel like does a little bit of blotchiness when they mix together. I don't know if I'm the only one that has that problem, but I do. So now what I'm gonna do is just grab a little bit of this color called Sunset Rose, put it on the lower lash line, looking up. And I'm just gonna tight line really quickly with a little bit more Nocturnal. And then with a little bit of Sunset Rose, I just get it on my brush, and then I'm just gonna swipe that over top, blend out this harsher line on the bottom, and also give it a little bit of a cooler color. All right, so there we go. That's what the eyes look like. I actually have to say it looks pretty damn good. This looks pretty good. I like this. So I'm gonna just put on some mascara, and then I'm gonna keep on going. And there is mascara. I didn't use the mascara from the box. I used the Alter Ego one. We did get this in another BOXYCHARM not that long ago, but I have so many mascaras open right now, you guys would be shocked. And I need to get through them. So now I'm just gonna throw in a lip color, but this is what the eyes look like, and I like them. So this is the final look, and I'm really liking this palette. So you guys always ask me, so I'm gonna tell you guys from here, because if not, I'm gonna forget. So on my lips, I'm wearing the Bite Beauty lipstick color in Rhubarb with the Makeup Forever Artist pencil in the color Boundless Berry. So if you guys want to purchase any of the lip products I mentioned, I will link everything down below, and if you purchase one of those lip products, then you support my channel. So yeah, so that is what I'm wearing on my lips today. Let's talk about this Ace Beauty palette. I actually like it. I think this was pretty good. I think the only issue that I was having is a little bit with the metallics mixing in with the mattes. I like them to blend a little bit more seamlessly. I think that these blended a little harder. I don't think that the blending was bad on the colors that I used. They actually blended pretty decent. I didn't use any of like these really bright reds, so I don't know if those blend good, but the ones that I did use blended decent. The darkest tone that I did use was this one called Nocturnal. It blended good, like good enough. Like I definitely think that people are going to enjoy that palette for sure because it did blend pretty decent. So I did like it for sure. I have to say, like when I first opened the box and I was looking through it, I kind of went like, I don't know if I like this box. Like it was kind of like, you know, but and then as I kind of like look at it further, I'm like, well, I don't know, like it's not really that bad, Christina. It's just not super exciting. I think that's the difference. This was not like a super exciting box, but it had some good items in it. These two skincare items I'm dying to try out. I think they were really interesting to have in the box. I'm excited that they're starting to put complexion products, but I won't be that excited if they can't get shades better, because like this was like way off. And the palette is nice, and I just wish that they would stop giving us such warm tone palettes. I feel like BOXYCHARM and warm tones is like every box. And the mascara is cool. I mean, to get a mascara in a subscription box is pretty decent. So anyways, that is everything that I got inside my box. Let me know down below if you guys like my box or if you guys got similar things and what were your thoughts. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget, comments down below, enter the giveaway. I can't wait to see who wins, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.